Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, hi, I'm Sapna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a simple and basic black mesh top which can be styled in a number of ways. Although it's basic, it can make your outfit from basic to bomb. You can easily dress it up or dress it down. So yeah, and please do watch this video till the end to play dress up with me, which is gonna be really fun. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this is the mesh fabric that I'm using to make my top. As you can see, it is simple, plain, and it has no design. So yeah, and I'm using my old mesh top as my guide. So here I'm folding the fabric in half, then again in half, and then on fold I am placing this top, and I have folded the top as well, and now I am going to pin them down together so that I can trace out the pattern for the body. And after cutting out, this is what the body should look like. It has mock neck, and this is the shoulder, and this is the armhole. Now moving forward, the sleeves. So I folded the fabric again and then placed the top on top of it and then pinning it, marking with the chalk, and after that cutting it out. And as you can see here, I'm marking the curve of the sleeve which is going to be attached on the body of the top. So one sleeve is ready, and now I'm going to repeat the same to make the other one as well. And now I'm going to sew the shoulder and sides of the top, and for sewing I'm using the smallest stitch setting on my machine so that it would hold the fabric nicely. So after sewing the one side, repeat the same on the other side as well, and then on sleeves also. So I'm sewing the sides of the sleeve so that I can attach it with the body, and also I'm trimming out the excess fabric so that it could look nice and not so bulky on the sleeves. So this is how it would look. As you can see, it looks so clean. And now I'm going to attach the sleeve to the body. So I have flipped the body piece inside out, meaning the wrong side is facing outside, and now I'm going to attach the sleeve. So here I'm turning it to the right sides, meaning the right sides are facing outward, and now I'm going to put the sleeves inside the top so that I can attach it. And to attach it, make sure the right sides are facing each other. And now I'm pinning it down to secure it on its place. And once I'm done with all the pinning, I went ahead and sewed it down. And our mesh top is ready. so let's start our game. So for style, I'm gonna go for street style. Yes. And for top, I'm gonna go with something which looks so edgy in denim or leather or something. Okay, denim jacket. For bottom, I'm gonna go with pants like jeans or something. Yes, this knee slit jeans would be great. And for shoes, I'm gonna go with something high ankle boot or shoe. Okay, so this looks pretty good, so let's go. Okay, so it's a level up. So for that, I'm gonna go with girl next door. Yes. And for top, I'm gonna choose no brainer, like I'm gonna use that simple mesh top. And for bottom, I'm gonna go with overalls, like this overall dress would be great, so I'm gonna choose that. And for shoes, I'm gonna go with Converse, obviously. And my girl next door outfit is ready, so let's hit that go button. So for level 3, I'm gonna go with simple style, but not so simple, like simple and plaid. Yes. And for top, I'm gonna go with something like t-shirt, and I'm choosing this one. And for bottom, obviously one thing should be plaid, so I'm gonna choose this plaid skirt. And for shoes, I think high ankle Converse would be great. Yes, this gives so much of emo grunge vibe, so let's go. So I have come pretty far in this game, and I'd like to appreciate myself by going in a body. So I'm gonna go with Saturday party night look. And for top, I'm gonna choose something sexy, like something tube top or teeny tiny something. Yes, this tube top would be good. And for bottom, I'm gonna go with skirt, obviously party skirt. For that, I'm gonna go with this fog leather skirt. And for shoes, I'm gonna go with heels. Obviously I'm partying, I need heels, so I'm gonna choose that heel. And this outfit looks great, so let's jump on the go button and let's party. Okay, we made it to level 5, but that's enough for today. Bye.